Hi friends, I am Evin BM, a biomedical engineering student pursuing BTech degree at Government Model Engineering College, Kochi. This video is about my final year project, which is titled as Multipurpose Voice Control Patient Assistant Robot. Nowadays, we can see that there are a increase in the number of mobility arrested patients who can't move their legs. For the assistance of such type of patients, our team developed an assistive robot. In this robot, we have incorporated different technologies and components which are used in robotics, industrial and in automation applications.
Mobility restricted patients would be in need of water and medicines many times a day. This calls out for the need of a caretaker to be on their toes around the clock. This is a difficulty for patient and the caretaker, hence arises the need of a system that would both these categories of people at ease.
Patient assistance robot is an idea that evolved from the need of living an independent life. Home automation is also incorporated along with the intended system for the ease of control of appliances. A home-based healthcare system is preferred as most of the bedridden patients would stay at home clinging to the bed. These patients would be in need of water or medicines many times a day and hence call out for the need of caretakers to be in their toes round the clock. It is to avoid this issue a patient assistant robot which will bring the required step has been developed.
With the development of smartphone, every field has been utilizing it. Homes also receive the advantage of technology and it has taken its new shape with the concept of home automation. The bedridden patients may require turning on or off a fan, controlling the lights according to their wish. Calling out others for help or reaching out to the switchboard is something impracticable for the patients. Hence, we have included a home automation feature in our project. Through this, the patient can control different home appliances by voice commands as and when required. This also provides safety to the patients as they can turn off the electrical appliances when not in use.
Light up. Light off. Fan on. Fan off.
For voice control operation, a smartphone with Android application software is employed. The Android application initiates the activity of both robot and home automation whenever the patient calls for it. The application includes speech-to-text conversion that converts the patient voice commands in text, Bluetooth connectivity that sends the text to the microcontroller within the robot.
Medicine number 1.
A robotic arm with 5 degrees of freedom is utilized for grabbing the request stuff like water or medicine. The patient would just have to speak out for the request stuff as he or she would do in case of the presence of a caretaker. An Android application used will recognize the voice command, convert it into corresponding text and then send it to the microcontroller. The patient assistant robot will then follow a preset line towards the set location of stuffs. The asked item is grabbed and given to the patient.
As the design system is intended to work in a domestic environment, care has to be taken to protect its own system. An obstacle indication is achieved in order to avoid damage of the robot due to collision with obstacle or to avoid a ride over. An ultrasonic sensor would detect the obstacle and an alarm will indicate the presence of obstacle in the robot path, though this is a rare case. The present day advances in the field of artificial intelligence such as neural networking, language processing, image recognition and speech recognition has spurred creativity, and the future of robotics seems to be ingenious. Though artificial intelligence, a human-friendly assisting robot can be designed which will fulfill the requirement of the users as a human does. Applying intelligence in the system will bring a wider scope to the healthcare sector, especially to the geriatric department.